Hello and welcome to MIDAS tutorials. In this tutorial I'll show you how to add, modify and delete bookings. The easiest way to add a booking is to simply click and drag over a venue between the desired start and finish times for your booking. So if I move my mouse over room 2 and between 8 and 10, I'm transferred to the Add Booking screen with room 2 selected and the times pre-selected. A number of other fields may also be present on the booking form, depending upon how your MIDAS administrator has configured your system. We'll cover adding new clients in a separate tutorial, but for now if we begin typing into the client field, a drop-down list will be shown allowing us to select a pre-existing client. Once we're happy with the details we've entered on the booking form, we click the Check Availability and Book button. MIDAS will then check that venue and any resources we've attached to the booking to make sure they're available at the times we've requested, the results of which will be shown on the booking availability screen. Clicking Book All Available will then add our booking to the system and return us to the booking grid. And there we can see our booking. You can also add bookings via the Add Bookings icon in the toolbar, which will take you to a blank Add Bookings form. So this time let's add a multiple booking. So we're going to add this booking to rooms 3, 4, 5 and 6. We can also select discrete individual dates in the calendar here to add that booking to those dates. Or if we click this icon here, MIDAS will generate a repetitive booking for us. So for example, we could say we want to make this booking every Thursday for the next 6 weeks. And we click OK. And MIDAS automatically generates all those dates for us. So again, we'll select our start time. So we'll go from 11 AM till 1. We'll enter our client and click Check Availability and Book. And as you'll see, all our venues on the dates we've selected are shown, and at the moment there's no clashes with anything, so we're good to go. Next to the Book All Availability button at the bottom, you'll see two tick boxes. One says Send Booking Confirmation and the other one says Create Invoice. If we select Send Booking Confirmation, then when I hit Book All Available, MIDAS will add the bookings to the system and send an email notification to the client that these bookings have been added. If we select Create Invoice, then MIDAS will automatically generate an invoice for these bookings as well. Invoicing is covered in a separate tutorial. For now, we'll click Book All Available, and you'll see our bookings have been added to this date, the 9th of August. If we change dates to the 16th, you'll see those bookings are there as well, and so forth. To delete a booking, simply click on the booking you want to delete and then select Delete Booking. You'll be asked for confirmation as to whether you really wish to delete this booking, which we do, so we'll click Yes, and you'll see the booking has now been removed. To delete multiple bookings, so for example, this time I want to remove the ones from room 4 and room 5 at the same time. I select one of those bookings, it doesn't matter which. And this time I select Delete Similar Bookings. MIDAS will then prompt me for a date range to search for similar bookings to the one I've selected. So I'll go Search. And you'll see all the bookings that are similar to the one I've selected are shown. I can then select which ones I wish to delete. So I'm going to delete the ones from room 4 and room 5 on this date, and then click Delete Similar Bookings. And you'll see those two bookings have now been deleted. MIDAS also allows you to quickly reschedule bookings into other time slots or other venues. To do this, you first need to unlock the booking grid via this icon. When the grid's unlocked, we can click and drag bookings to a new time slot or to a different venue. Or if we're viewing multiple dates, so for example we're viewing bookings now for Thursday, Friday and Saturday, we can move that booking to a Saturday. To modify the details of any booking, again simply click the booking and select Modify Booking. This will take us back to the Add Booking screen with the current details for the selected booking already filled in. I can make any changes I want here. So this booking at the moment is from 11 till 1. I'm going to make this from 11 till 3. Check availability and modify, and book all available. And you'll see this booking has now been extended until 3 p.m. Again, in a similar way to the delete multiple bookings feature, we can also do the same for modifying multiple bookings at once. So if we go to a date, let's go to the 16th, there, so we have 4 bookings there on the 16th, and I wish to extend all of those till 3 p.m. So I select any one of them, and then modify similar bookings. I then search for similar bookings, and the ones I want to modify are all on the 16th. So I'll select those 4 and then modify similar bookings. So the details of all 4 of those bookings are now on the booking form. And I'm going to change the end time to 3 p.m. Check availability and modify, and book all available. And you'll see now all 4 of those bookings have been extended to 3 p.m. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials at MID.AS/tutorials.